I am going to give you a great travel tip about an awesome bakery coffee shop over on Sukhumvit Road next to Soi 2 in the Klong Toi section of Bangkok. Hey, this place is highly recommended, and it is inside the JW Marriott Hotel. Go to their bakery coffee shop. This place is excellent, and they have all the goodies that you will ever want. Perfectly baked. Nope, this is not a commercial. This is a travel review. This is for travelers, and it's right on Sukhumvit, just around the corner from the Nana Playground. I give this shop 5 stars. It is top of the heap, and I'm doing this on my own. I'm doing this to help you, the average traveler out there who wants to go to someplace fantastic and get a cup of coffee. This is better than Sunbucks or any of those places. And do not worry about the price. It is just about the same price as you would pay in a bakery coffee shop in New York City. It's there, worth every penny. You can get sandwiches too. And look at all those goodies over there. And have a nice place to sit down and relax while you munch out.